Hi everyone, this is Professor Gardner. I just wanted to send you a quick message about the recent lecture materials that I posted. There is just too much to talk about with As You Like It. You all are doing a wonderful job with the footnotes and discussion boards covering a lot of ground. I thought that I would originally post to the footnotes section, but then I just realized there's a little more that needs to be said when it comes to the pastoral tradition. So that's why I posted that lecture. And as far as the lecture on Scansion and analyzing poetry, that was really prompted by Orlando's love poems, early middle portion of the play. And there are definitely some quatrains that are thrown out there. Rosalind reads a few. Touchstone does a parody of it. And I think those are worth practicing scanning on. But I will provide a little practice quiz for the content related to Scansion and for the content related to the pastoral, as well as a few other questions regarding the end of the play. Plot moments that you should know. So those practice quizzes will help you kind of focus on certain things, certain information when preparing for the midterm. So yeah, that's all. Just a quick little note. I'm really enjoying reading your journals. Thank you to all of you who are contributing to those. If you forgot to do the journal last week, please make sure to do it this week. Okay? Please send me any questions that you have. Have a good week 3.